All right, so we're gonna do this again. We're gonna start this. I wanna show you guys what I have. This is the Milwaukee. This one has a ring here to put your cables through, bungee cords. This is the base. All right, that's cool. And then this one is the other big one, right? And then this one is the small one. You could get a lock on it. And then this is the ladder that I'm gonna put on the back of that. And it works really easy, really well. So I'm gonna set this down here. Okay. See it? All right, you guys, here we go. That's it. Here we go, guys. That's it. See it? 1, 2, and 3. And then if you want to take it off, you just pull this little thing up and slide back. Pull this up, slide back. Right? So everyone has a lock. That way people can't mess with they can't put stuff in or take stuff out. And this thing here, put a bungee cord around that, around here. And it sits on this rail here, and it's really light. Once you put the bungee cord around this, through here, under here, one on this side, from here to here, it's solid. And it's so well balanced. That's what I like about it. And that's your pack. You could go anywhere with that and reach just about anything. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys for watching.